Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty at iExamB. Today we are going to discuss 5 must-do topics from Criminal Law section for SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Examination 2023. मैंने ये series start की है and I have covered many topics, many subjects and I have covered each subject, each video, 5 most important topics, must do topics that are very important from exam point of view, and many questions are asked from these topics. So if you are following this series, this will definitely help you out in qualifying the examination. अगर आपने बाकी के videos miss किए हैं, I have come up with various topics, company law, securities law, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, CPC. सो ये सब आप वीडियो के प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर आप वीडियोस चेकआउट कर सकते हो चैनल के. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल फॉर द सेम. एंड ऑल्सो इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन राइट टू अस एट hello@iexamb.com. iExamB ने एक नया कैंपेन भी स्टार्ट किया है, दैट इज CPC कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाएंगे, सबको सिखाएंगे, CPSS कैंपेन. इस कैंपेन के अंदर हम काफ़ी सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स को एक नए तरीके से और बहुत ही सिंपल और क्रिस्प फॉर्म में आपके सामने लेकर आ रहे हैं, एंड दैट इज़ हेल्पिंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन their basic conceptual clarity, and which is very important for qualifying any competitive examination. So do subscribe to the channel and stay updated with all such kind of beneficial videos. So let us start with our discussion. SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Examination 2023 के लिए जो लोग prepare कर रहे हैं, the notification is of course expected in the month of December. And if your preparations are going in the right direction, do check whether you are preparing these topics or not. The 5 must-do topics from criminal law section we are going to discuss in this video. Criminal law section एक काफ़ी अच्छा weightage hold करता है SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Examination के लिए. पेपर 2 में आपको law के subjects पढ़ने हैं. We will see the exact weightages, but यहाँ से काफ़ी सारे questions आते हैं, and let me tell you ये unit काफ़ी scoring है आपके लिए, because it is very easy. It is easy to study and also remember. And अगर कोई questions भी आते हैं तो ज़्यादा confusing नहीं होंगे. So this will be scoring for you in the examination. So do focus on the important topics from this section and score well in your phase 1 as well as phase 2. So let us see the exam pattern. As I told you, it is paper 1 and paper 2. Both are going to remain same. Only the change will be there in phase 2 paper 1. You will have descriptive test for English. Other than that, you are having all MCQs. For law, the pattern is same in both the phases. Only somewhere the syllabus keeps on changing, but you can check that out. हम लोग अगर phase 1 की भी बात करते हैं आज इस वीडियो में, for focusing on the important topics, then in criminal law you are having these many chapters. You can see you are having IPC and CrPC in criminal law. Along with that, I am discussing evidence also in this video. Evidence is having provisions for civil law as well, so don't get confused that why I am taking up that with criminal law. I am just taking it along with criminal law section. Actually ये पूरा section 15% weightage hold करता है. This includes IPC, CrPC, evidence and CPC as well. CPC मैंने एक separate video में discuss किया हुआ है आपके साथ. If you have missed it, you can check the playlist and you can check out the video, because the CPC requires some other way of studying. So I have suggested how you can study CPC well and understand it well in that video. So उसको video को ज़रूर check out कर लेना. And the rest, IPC, CrPC, evidence, I'm going to cover in this particular video. So 15% is a very good number. So you can focus on this area and score really well. So the 5 must-do topics we will do subject by subject. We cannot say that एक ही सिर्फ IPC, evidence, CrPC मिलाकर 5 topics sufficient नहीं होंगे. You need to do 5 from each. So I have discussed the most important topics from IPC first. From Indian Penal Code, of course, the definitions are going to be very important for you. Not all, but some very important definitions. For example, the definition of an offense. It is a very simple definition, but it can be questioned. So ऐसे कुछ definitions हैं, या फिर पब्लिक ऑफिसर के अंडर कौन आता है, ऐसे कुछ डेफिनेशंस है जो आईपीसी में दिए हुए हैं. आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट यू शुड गो थ्रू इट. And next important topic, I would say the very important topic is of the general defenses, and you can include private defense also in that 96 to 106. So ये all together एक topic बन जाएगा, and ये काफ़ी important है because यहाँ से हम काफ़ी questions expect कर सकते हैं. या तो general defenses से आएगा सीधे सीधे, या फिर सीधे सीधे private defense से भी question आ सकता है. It can come from, for example, about एक्सीडेंट से रिलेटेड आपको कोई सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी पूछा जा सकता है, या फिर इंटॉक्सिकेशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, या सीधे सीधे प्राइवेट डिफेंस की कोई कंडीशन देकर क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. प्राइवेट डिफेंस रिलेटिंग टू एक्सटेंडिंग टू कॉजिंग डेथ इन केस ऑफ ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट प्रॉपर्टी. सो व्हेन दैट कैन टेक प्लेस. सो लाइक दैट यू शुड हैव कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी. आईपीसी में आपको कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस, सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस काफ़ी हद तक पूछे जा सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस कर लो, एंड फॉर दैट यू आर हैविंग mock tests at iExamB that are free at iExamB. Do check them out and get a good practice of all these topics and these questions. Punishments, very easy and a very short topic. You have to just see the different kinds of punishments that are there in IPC and have clarity on it. Don't get confused. Next is criminal conspiracy and abetment. Now for this you can see what are the ingredients necessary for constituting these two offenses and what is the punishment. Basic, that much is also enough. Offenses against property is a vast chapter, but of course this is important for you. यहाँ से आप 100% question expect कर सकते हो. In your syllabus you are not having offenses against human body. So for you this is going to be prime important टॉपिक फ्रॉम आईपीसी. सो यू हैव टू डू इट रियली वेल, एंड इसको आप अच्छे से चार्ट्स बनाकर, नोट्स बनाकर अगर प्रिपेयर करते हो तो यू कैन ईजीली रिमेंबर दैट एंड नॉट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड. फोकस ऑन द इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ ऑल द ऑफेंसेस. सीआरपीसी की बात करें तो सीआरपीसी इज कंपैरेटिवली ईजियर टू स्टडी. यू कैन क्विकली कवर सीआरपीसी. It looks lengthy, but it is actually not. If you focus again on the important topics, hierarchy of criminal courts and the jurisdictions, procedural laws में ये चीज़ें बहुत important होती है. मैंने CPC में भी ये बात कही थी that civil courts jurisdiction is very important. Arrest topic is very important from CRPC. Then trial is, it looks a small topic but it is actually not a small topic, so you have to go through well. It is another very important topic. Arrest comparatively short topic hai, but trial has magistrate trial, it has trial before magistrate, trial before sessions court, and it also has summary trial. So all these kinds of trial with section numbers I would suggest that you should know. Charge and complaint before magistrate. This actually you can do only the important sections from this area, from this topic. That is also enough for you, that what is a charge, how is it framed, what are the contents of a charge, and complaint before magistrate, what is the procedure. That much you can know. Not only trial but also how the criminal proceedings are initiated directly before a magistrate. That conceptual clarity you should know. Then the other concepts from which you can expect short questions from, like FIR, police report, that is what is charge sheet. So 173 and FIR 150, 154, ये सारे जो sections हैं आपके लिए बहुत important है. Summons, cognizable non-cognizable offense, compoundable non-compoundable offense, bailable non-bailable offense, ये जितने भी concepts है, summons and warrant, what is a summons case, what is a warrant case. Now these are very short concepts. This won't take much time, so I have clubbed that together in one topic. These are all short concepts which you can do very easily, and these are very easy concepts also. So focus like this. Some topics will be lengthy for you, some will be short. So according to that you can do and phase your preparation. Then comparatively new topics like plea bargaining. This is a new development, so आप expect कर सकते हो कि यहाँ से भी कोई question आ सकता है. So prepare according to that and complete your CRPC. Next is Indian Evidence Act. Again in Indian Evidence Act में कुछ definitions important है, like definition of document. ऐसे कुछ prominent definitions है, evidence की definition है. उतना तो आपको करना ही होगा. देन रेलेवेंसी ऑफ फैक्ट्स, रेस जेस्टे डॉक्ट्रिन. रेलेवेंसी ऑफ फैक्ट्स में ये जितने भी सेक्शंस है 6, 7, 8, 9 ये सब काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट में आते हैं. यू कैन डू दैट. मोटिव एंड ऑल दोज ओकेजन्स, कॉज, इफेक्ट, ये सब बेसिक कंसेप्ट हैं. ये ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग नहीं है. यू कैन डू इट. देन इज एडमिशन एंड कन्फेशन. इसमें आपको कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. डिफरेंस बिटवीन एडमिशन एंड कन्फेशन, यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर विद इट. Dying declaration is also an important topic from evidence that you can expect questions on. With section number, people who cannot be called in the court as witnesses. Section 32 अगर आप अच्छे से करते हो, that will be very good for you. And the last topic that I have taken up here is public and private documents. इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा sections नहीं है. Again, I have made it comprehensive like this only, like point number 5 in CrPC also I have tried to cover it like that only. Public and private documents, oral and documentary evidence, primary and secondary evidence. So इन सब का अगर आप बेसिक भी पढ़ लेते हो, short topics है ये, ज़्यादा आपको बहुत डिटेल में आएगा ऐसा नहीं है. You have to cover these as short topics or short concepts. Okay, so like this you can comprehensively cover the entire act. This is what is the key, that you have to cover the entire act very comprehensively. Are you understanding how you have to cover everything? ये जो मैंने 5 must do topics का heading दिया है, ये इसीलिए दिया है that everything can be made very concise if you study in the right manner and in the right direction. If you want, you can download this PPT and take it for your reference. This will definitely help you out a lot. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप ये सारे PPTs, ये जितने भी वीडियोस है सबके PPTs डाउनलोड करके अपने पास रेफरेंस के लिए रख सकते हो और इन सब टॉपिक्स को मार्क आउट करके प्रिपरेशन फेस कर सकते हो. ऐसे ही और वीडियोस के लिए यू कैन राइट टू अस एट hello@iexambi.com. इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन राइट टू अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब and prepare 50% faster with iExamB. Thank you.